day 8. Yesterday we lost around $700. Now account is at $12,000. So yeah, today we are going to trade in oil or US oil. So setup है यहाँ पे. Here after taking trade, I'll give you a confirmation why US oil, because वहाँ पे हम अच्छा खासा लॉस लेने वाले हैं. तो we are exiting US oil. Now we're going to hold the gold trade. The first trade we exited US oil at $60. Second trade we are holding this gold trade. Let's see इसमें कितना टारगेट हम. तो रिस्क मैनेजमेंट बनते रहना चाहिए, मैनेज होना चाहिए. वाई वी एग्जिटेड US ऑयल, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम अगर रिस्क कर रहे हैं तो फिर वहाँ पे रिस्क करने का कुछ मतलब नहीं बनता है. तो वी एग्जिटेड US ऑयल टू होल्ड द गोल्ड ट्रेड. प्योरली प्राइस एक्शन बेस पे ट्रेड लिया है. लेट्स सी क्या हो सकता है. सो हर दिन आके 10 ट्रेड, लाइक मल्टीपल ट्रेड लेने से अच्छा वी हैव प्लान एक या दो ट्रेड, तो वी कैन easily like come and trade in live market. The whole point of maybe conducting this live trading is not to make you profit. It's not like copy this trade and make the profit. It's what is the psychology behind it, and why we are able to hold the profit, why we are able to cut the loss, why we are able to do the discipline, because we know these things. See, one thing is we have entry in our control. See, we are only focused on what is in our control. So what is in our control? Entry is in our control. Exit, position sizing. For example, I can book here partially also. For example, if I want, I can book partially. I can book around 0.5 50. I can book $500 profit here. So this is what we can manage, right? This is how we can manage the trade, and this is in my control. Position sizing in my control, and risk manage is my control. Apart from this, is there anything I can control?
Nothing else.
So this is the reality, right? So once you accept it, okay, I can control only these four things, only entry, exit, position, risk. Then there is no point of having that buzzard in your head. So we just take the trade only on this basis. Fibonacci, shooting star, hammer, 1,120, we are exiting at 1,100, yeah. $1,100 profit today. Yesterday $700 loss. Today $1,000 profit in just one trade. And